Hey you guys, it's Carolyn from Homesteading Family, and I'm in Grandma's kitchen today, and I wanted to show you how to make the most amazing ever raw marinara sauce with those fermented tomatoes that we made a few weeks ago. Now, these tomatoes have been fermenting for about 3 weeks, but the flavor just is gonna get better and better the longer you wait, if you can wait. 3 weeks minimum for the best flavor, in my opinion. And I'm gonna show you how to make this super easy marinara sauce. Now, all we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up and, oh, I wish you guys could smell this. It is just like cutting a fresh tomato. And I've got the basil that's been in here fermenting with it. It's just tomato basil. It smells so fresh, it is amazing. For tomatoes that have been sitting on the counter for 3 weeks, this is just great. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take these guys and I'm just gonna plop them right into my blender. You could absolutely use a food processor if you needed to and you didn't have any of those, or you wanted to, you could just chop these up really fine. It would work just fine too. And I'm just gonna pull these out. I find that the basil, once it's been fermented, does not blend up very well. So you could put those in there, but you might end up with basil chunks at the end. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out that garlic that I used to flavor this, and I'm gonna pop that right in there with this. And this is gonna be so amazing. You guys just are gonna be blown away by how this tastes. My kids now beg for this as their tomato sauce. Spaghetti, pizza, anything like that. I'm just gonna pop that all in there. And you know, I'm actually gonna go ahead and just add a little fresh basil because I really like that fresh basil flavor. If you had some frozen basil cubes, did you guys see that video? If you have some of those in the freezer, pop that right in now too. That would be perfect. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to blend this up without any additional liquid. But if the blender won't do it, I may have to just add a little bit of that fermenting liquid there. All right, there you have it. That is so easy. And I know that this is non-traditional to eat a raw sauce, but what we like to do is pour it over hot noodles or hot rice, anything like that. Now you can certainly cook this. There is nothing that says that you can't. There's no rules. But I gotta tell you, when you taste this, you will not want to go back to that store-bought canned stuff or even the home canned stuff. This is so amazing. It is so delicious, and it's healthy for you because right now it is completely raw. It has all of its enzymes. It has all of its probiotic powers. It has all sorts of wonderful vitamins that were not destroyed by cooking it from the tomatoes to begin with. You guys are gonna love this. It's such a healthy, easy way. It was easy to preserve and it's easy to cook with. Pour it over some meatballs on some hot noodles. You guys will be amazed. Take care. Goodbye. Wow, it's so good. This is so good. I think I'm just gonna eat the whole bowl full of it just for my lunch. It was like a cold soup. It is so flavorful. It's so amazing. Take care, guys.